Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you can see, I have a different background today. It's not the usual background of the dog paw print that I had in my previous vlogs. It's not the plain white background that I use when I do my beauty vlogs. Today I have the BISDAK Partylist banner because today I will be sharing to you the reasons why we should be choosing them as the party list for this coming election. This party list is headed by two Bisaya leaders, and they are retired Rear Admiral Ernesto Iboy Enriquez and architect Romel Gavieta, the former from Cebu and the latter from Iloilo. Both have major platforms in mind, but the ones that I really loved were the top two, which are cultural reintegration and infrastructure connectivity. Number one is to unite all the BISDAKs in the Visayas, because in the Senate, in the Congress, there are no groups really supporting efforts that are made for Cebu, for Bohol, for Iloilo, and they are also aiming for infrastructure connectivity, meaning that is to unite and that is to connect all the islands in the Visayas, and that is Cebu, Bohol, Leyte, Samar, and all the islands in the Visayas. And if that happens, there will be more jobs for the people, and people from the Visayas will also be connected to the people in Luzon and Mindanao through land trips, and that is through the bridges that they are offering. So if people would like to go and travel to other provinces like Bohol, Iloilo, Negros, they wouldn't be having hard time traveling, as there would be bridges available for land trips. They wouldn't be paying much to travel. They wouldn't be paying much for boat fares and airfares because there are already bridges available for such traveling. Maunang karong umaabot na eleksyon, ayaw ninyo kalimti, numero 22, ako BISDAK Party List, tinuod nga Bisaya, ato ni. I find their advocacy very helpful to my advocacies as well, because if we have bridges to connect all the islands, we wouldn't be having hard time to help out other islands and other provinces of the Visayas. If we want to conduct tree planting activities, if we want to clean up the ocean, if we want to share through charity works, so it will be very convenient for us to travel, especially if we have a lot of volunteers willing to support. Please do support as well my advocacy by subscribing to my channel. That's YouTube. Just search Margaret, MARGRETTE. Once you find my channel, please do hit the subscribe button to show your support to my channel, to my advocacies, and to show your support to Ako BISDAK Party List. Thank you so much once again. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any suggestions on what I should be doing next, please do leave them in the comments below. And also, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to show your support. Thank you so much, lovies. Do support Ako BISDAK Party List coming election this May. And once again, do take care and have a great day. God bless you all.